Hello there. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how to generate an SSH key in Hostinger. This is an essential skill for ensuring secure and efficient command line access to your server. So, let's dive right in and get started. First, head over to the Hostinger homepage, which is your gateway for all account management tasks. From the homepage, navigate to your Hostinger dashboard. This is where you'll manage every aspect of your hosting account, and I'll walk you through each step. On the homepage, look for the websites section on the left. Click on it, and you'll see a list of all your domains with Hostinger. Select the website you want to manage, which will take you to your website's dashboard. This dashboard serves as the control center for your site, handling everything from updates to performance checks. Next, we'll explore the advanced settings. On the left sidebar, find the advanced section and click on it. Don't worry about the advanced label. I'm here to guide you. In the advanced menu, look for SSH access. Think of SSH as a secure tunnel to your server. Selecting SSH access is crucial for our task. Once your SSH dashboard loads, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the details on this page. The most important step here is to check the current SSH status. Locate the SSH status section and click the Enable button if it isn't active yet, as your server connection hinges on this. With SSH enabled, scroll down to find the section labeled SSH keys. Using SSH keys enhances security, making this step vital. Here, you'll add an SSH key, which acts as your unique digital fingerprint for server access. Simply click Add SSH Key, and you're all set. Congratulations! You've successfully navigated the Hostinger dashboard, enabled SSH, and set up your SSH keys. This setup ensures your server access is both secure and convenient. Now you can confidently manage and execute commands on your server. Thanks for watching, and happy hosting!